Hi, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 50. And in this lesson, we will continue learning new vocabularies. And by the way, it's good to see you all today. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 计划、东西、山调、北、东、南、西。If you guys have any questions about the words that we have here, you can try to watch lesson 49 and also the quiz session videos again. And let's begin this lesson. In the first slide, we have 固定,固定,固定,法律,法律,法律. The meaning of 固定 is fixed and 法律 is law. And let's read together, guys. 固定,固定,固定,法律,法律,法律. Moving on to the next slide, we have 打,打,打,按摩,按摩,按摩. 打 is to hit and 按摩 is
massage,
so let's read together, guys. 打打打按摩按摩按摩. And this slide we have 拉拉拉推推推. 拉 is to pull and in contrary 推 is to push. Let's read together, guys. 拉拉拉推推推. Another vocabs for today. 礼物礼物礼物. 国庆节国庆节国庆节. 礼物 is gift and 国庆节 is National Day of a country. Let's read together, guys. 礼物礼物礼物. 国庆节国庆节国庆节. And that's all for today's lesson. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching my video. Don't forget to review the vocabs that we learned today and see you on our next lesson.